this one.
Plymouth, Hayesville, Savannah, Polk, Sullivan, Perrysville, Shiloh, Lucas, Jeromesville, Bailey Lakes,
Holy crap.
Roseburg, Macon, Phillipsburg, Shenandoah.
Whoa, crap. Better shut my window.
For your protection,
Ah.
interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Ashland, and Richland.
It's the same alert in a double header. Another one? Nope. Two thunderstorm warnings are issued for my area right now. That's incredible. And they're both the same alert, probably, yeah. By the way, sorry that the video got cut off on my phone. That's because the battery life reached 5% and it shut off the camera app. So I'm using my backup camera right now. So, yep, it just said Ashland. By the way, these are actually the first two alerts off of here. I am so happy. It worked. Woo! I mean, just look at how much it's raining out there. Oh, I should probably stay away from the window. Woo! Finally, I've been waiting all my life for this moment. Woo! Alright, bye guys.